Thanks for meeting me for lunch. I am so stressed out.
Stressed out? You have no idea. I think my entire career might be over.
I have a big trial next week against Jim McLaren in front of Jay Vincent.
I'm representing a Democrat, and Dick Whiting's on the other side, and I think he's bugging all of our phone calls.
This trial is going to be a bloodbath. Maybe I should file for a name change and move out of state. The problem is, I don't know how.
A tree-hugging, sandal-wearing San Francisco liberal right here in Lexington County. And he's made the brilliant decision to go ahead and run for office.
Hey, Vance, Melissa, what are you doing here?
Monet and Anthony, what are you two doing complaining about family law in a public forum where other people can hear you?
Don't you know that real lawyers solve all their problems at Hot Tips?
Hot Tips? Who goes to Hot Tips?
You, Sparkly, need to be there and learn how to solve all your problems in family law.
Will it really help us solve all of our problems?
Absolutely. David Shea will be there talking about Craigslist and eBay and how to use that in your next case.
But we're also going to have the good old standards where Vance is going to update us on the alimony chart and the alimony cases that have come out recently. And in addition, one of the most exciting topics is going to be David Collins talking about a hot area of family law, assisted reproduction technology. It's called ART nationally, and it's one of the most financially rewarding areas for family law attorneys. And in this economy, that's going to be a good one.
And don't forget about Ben Stevens, who will be there talking about subpoena process, the new statutes come into play, and we could all learn a little bit more about that.
That just sounds great. What else?
We have Vicki Snellgrove, who is now Judge Vicki Snellgrove, and she is going to teach lawyers how to write a proper attorney fee affidavit so that the judge actually wants to reward you or award you fees at the temporary hearing or a trial. And speaking of fees, Natalie Bluestein, our current chair of the Fee Dispute Commission, is going to teach us, based on the new rule, how to draft a proper retainer so you can send your client to fee dispute. For other clients who aren't paying you, she's going to teach us how to send them to collections so we can get our money and not get sued. In addition, we're going to have Ken Lester and Sandy Parise, two of the best family court trial attorneys in the state. In the morning, they're going to talk about how to get your case ready for trial from the beginning of the case to the end. In the afternoon, they're going to talk about how they put their trial notebook, or for Ken, his trial expand notebook, into place so that they have all their documents ready for them at the trial. And as your boss, Ken is one of our anchors to this whole program, right along with Sandy.
If that rusty anchor Ken Lester's going to be there, sign me up. When is Hot Tips?
Friday, October the 1st. Get up early, brush your teeth, put on your best suit, and see you at Hot Tips.